Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water filter in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because your ice dispenser isn't making ice, your water dispenser is not dispensing water, or you're getting a leak in your fridge. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. So to get to our filter, we're going to open up our fridge. And in this model, it's right up here. This is our filter. All we have to do, push this button, and it slides right out. So now, after you've taken out your old filter, you can grab a new OEM replacement filter. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. You can replace your filter just like this. Make sure you push it all the way in so that it locks into place. Close your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.